Welcome to Auto Info YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about the most famous bike of the world, Ducati DesertX. The scene opens with a dynamic shot of the Ducati DesertX speeding through a rugged desert trail, dust swirling in its wake. The camera follows the bike closely, capturing the power and precision of its movements. A deep, resonant sound of the engine fills the air, creating an immersive, adrenaline-filled atmosphere. The narrator's voice begins, steady and inspiring, as the scene transitions to a panoramic view of the motorcycle parked on a cliffside, overlooking a sprawling landscape bathed in golden light. This is more than a motorcycle. It's an invitation to explore the extraordinary. A machine built to conquer terrain, defy expectations, and fuel your passion for adventure. The camera shifts to a close-up of the DesertX, highlighting its rugged tires, dual headlights, and sleek, aerodynamic body. The lighting emphasizes the precision in every detail, from the matte finish of the frame to the intricate design of its digital display. The Ducati DesertX is a masterpiece of engineering, designed to deliver unparalleled performance on any road, or off it. It's not just a ride, it's a statement. A rider approaches, clad in high-performance Ducati gear. They climb aboard the DesertX, the scene cutting to the moment the engine roars to life. The sound is deep and commanding, a testament to the power of the 937cc Testastretta engine. The bike launches forward, seamlessly transitioning from asphalt to loose gravel. The DesertX isn't afraid of a challenge. Its advanced suspension system, lightweight design, and off-road capabilities ensure that no path is too difficult, no terrain too wild. With 6 riding modes, including dedicated off-road settings, you're always in control, no matter where your journey takes you. The scene transitions to the bike weaving through a dense forest trail, its agile handling allowing it to navigate tight corners and uneven ground with ease. The rider pauses by a riverbank, the sound of water blending with the faint hum of the engine. They glance at the bike's digital display, the screen bright and intuitive, showing navigation, performance stats, and more. Adventure is about more than the destination, it's about the journey. The DesertX's state-of-the-art technology ensures that every ride is seamless, safe, and unforgettable. From its cutting-edge navigation to its customizable settings, it's designed to enhance every moment on the road. As the camera pans upward, the rider is seen crossing an expansive desert, the setting sun casting long shadows across the landscape. The Ducati DesertX moves effortlessly, a silhouette of power and purpose against the backdrop of a fiery sky. Designed for those who refuse to be confined by limits, the DesertX embodies the spirit of exploration. Its robust frame and innovative design make it a trusted partner, whether you're carving through mountain passes, tackling rocky trails, or cruising under the stars. The scene transitions back to the Ducati showroom, a luxurious space with sleek lighting and polished floors. The DesertX is displayed prominently, its bold design commanding attention. The Ducati logo shines brightly on the wall, reinforcing the brand's legacy of excellence. This is more than a motorcycle. It's a reflection of Ducati's relentless pursuit of innovation, style, and performance. The DesertX is for those who demand the best, not just from their machines, but from themselves. The final shot shows the rider returning to the bike, starting the engine, and riding off into the horizon. The camera lingers on the trail of dust left behind, the vast open road ahead, and the sky fading into twilight. The screen transitions to the Ducati logo with a bold tagline: Ducati DesertX, Adventure Redefined. Are you ready? The sound of the engine fades as the screen goes dark, leaving a sense of excitement and possibility lingering. Please like and subscribe my channel.